Sherman's Showcase. Premiered 2019. Alternatino with Arturo Castro. Alternatino with Arturo Castro. Best Time Ever with Neil Patrick Harris. Premiered 2015. The Nick and Jessica Variety Hour. Premiered 2004. The George Gobel Show. Premiered 1954. The Everly Brothers Show. Premiered 1970. Rosie Live. Premiered 2008. Hollywood Palace. Premiered 1964. Kids Say the Darndest Things. Premiered 1995. More Kids Say the Darndest Things 53. 124. All the TV shows that ended in 2020. Ranked 59 of 75. The best ABC shows of all time. 59 of 59. The best ABC comedies of all time. The Big Stage. Premiered 2019. Bring the Funny. Premiered 2019. Cake. Cake. The Tracey Ullman Show. Premiered 1987. More The Tracey Ullman Show. 233 of 305. The greatest sitcoms in television history. 63 of 89. The best 1980s primetime TV shows. 59 of 64. The best sitcoms of the 1980s. Dolly. Premiered 1976. The Lawrence Welk Show. Premiered 1955. The Dick Cavett Show. Premiered 1968. More The Dick Cavett Show. 16 of 48. The best late night talk shows of all time. 154 of 190. The very best shows that aired in the 1960s. 2 of 20. The best talk shows of the 1960s. The Ellen DeGeneres Show. Premiered 2003. More The Ellen DeGeneres Show. The best musical guests on The Ellen DeGeneres Show in 2020. The best celebrity surprises from The Ellen Show. 152 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. Random Acts of Flyness. Premiered 2018. More Random Acts of Flyness. 47 of 56. The best new HBO shows of the last few years. 32 of 83. The best black TV shows of the last few years. 325 of 394. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. The Perry Como Show. Premiered 1948. Donny and Marie. Donny and Marie. The Kelly Clarkson Show. The Kelly Clarkson Show. The Dinah Chevy Show. Premiered 1956. Martha and Snoop's Potluck Dinner Party. Martha and Snoop's Potluck Dinner Party. The Gong Show. The Gong Show. The LucyDesi Comedy Hour. Premiered 1957. The Netflix Afterparty. Premiered 2021. More The Netflix Afterparty 222 of 394. The best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 201 of 638. The best original streaming shows of the last few years. 434 of 434. The best new Netflix original series of the last few years. The Steve Allen Show. Premiered 1956. The Midnight Special. Premiered 1973. The Tony Orlando and Dawn Show. Premiered 1974. Conan. 2 Days and One Night. Premiered 2007. The Colgate Comedy Hour. Premiered 1950. The Mickey Mouse Club. The Andy Williams Show. The Andy Williams Show. The Tonight Show. The Tonight Show. Walt Disney's Wonderful World of Color. In Living Color. The Flip Wilson Show. Hee Haw. Hee Haw. The Red Skelton Show. Premiered 1951. Saturday Night Live. Premiered 1975. More Saturday Night Live. The best SNL sketches, where the cast can't stop laughing. The best SNL cast members of all time. 2 of 54. The best NBC comedies of all time. The Sonny and Cher Comedy Hour. Premiered 1971. Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In. Rowan and Martin's Laugh-In. The Muppet Show. The Muppet Show. The Ed Sullivan Show. The Ed Sullivan Show. The Johnny Carson Show. The Smothers Brothers Comedy Hour. The Dean Martin Show. Premiered 1965. The Carol Burnett Show. The Carol Burnett Show. Amen.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.